Namaskar, I Khushi Sharma of class 9th is going to perform an activity to show the process of osmosis. Now what is osmosis? Osmosis is the passage of water from through a selectively permeable membrane from a high water concentration to a region of low water concentration. Okay. So for this activity we need some water in a glass, some raisins, here you can see, some sugar which we are going to dissolve in the water later on. So let's start this activity. What we are going to do is we are going to put these dry raisins in the water and observe the change. Okay, so let's do it. Some raisins in this water. I have put this. Now let's just take out the raisins from this glass. I had also kept some raisins dry at that time at the beginning of this activity, so that we could clearly see the difference. Okay. Now let's see what is the difference in both the raisins. The dry raisins are quite shrinked, and these have swollen up and gained water. Now these have gained water due to osmosis. Okay, so these kind of solutions are also called hypotonic solution. Water molecules are generally free to move through the cell membrane in both the directions, but in this case of hypotonic solutions, the water will enter the cell of the raisin more than will leave. Okay, so now let's just mix some sugar in this water and let's just do it. Mixing the sugar in it. Mix some sugar in it. Now sugar has dissolved, and keeping 2 or 3 pieces of the swollen raisin, I am going to put the swollen raisins again into the solution of sugar and water and leave it for this time 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so this time we are going to leave it for 2 to 3 hours to observe some change. Okay. Now few hours have passed, and let's take out the raisins out of this glass. When the solution has less concentration of water than the cell or the raisin which I have taken, so if it has the raisins has or the cells have more concentration of water than the solution, then the raisins will lose water and shrink, and you can clearly see the difference closely here, that these were the earlier raisins, puffed up raisins, and these are the shrinked raisins. So this proves that the solution this time that was of water and sugar, the solution this time was a hypertonic solution. So these were the types of solutions in during osmosis, and thank you.